Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to download ChatGPT in iOS device. First of all, we have to tap on App Store. Now you can tap on search bar. Now you can write ChatGPT. Now you have to click on ChatGPT. After that, you can go and click the cloud button. Here you can see that our ChatGPT has been downloaded. Now you can tap on open. Now ChatGPT is ready to open. You can search and explore the ideas from the ChatGPT. And our next following videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.